guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable follows notifications on your market coins app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on push notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down. So then you come here to follows. Just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here follows notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.